Picking the right smartwatch in 2025 isn't just about brand loyalty, it's about matching your lifestyle. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your channel. Whether you're scaling mountains, running marathons, or just trying to beat your step count, there's a perfect watch for you. And yes, some of them are smarter than your phone. Meet Apple Watch Ultra 3, which remains the king of all smartwatches. It's beast with 42-hour battery life, 5G, satellite connectivity, and a blindingly bright 3000-nit display. It's bigger, bolder, and now comes with an eco-friendly titanium case. It's a dream for adventurers if you can pay the price and own an iPhone. If not, then Apple Watch SE 3 is the smarter buy for most. It nails the essentials with the same chip as the Series 11, adds fast charging, and now includes always-on display. It skips the ECG and blood oxygen sensors, but it's light, stylish, and very affordable. Perfect for the everyday Apple user. Not an Apple fan? Check out Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. It's not the top-tier Ultra model, but still got run coaching, GPS precision, and even body composition tracking. Pair it with a Samsung phone and it really shines. Google Pixel Watch 3 keeps things sleek and minimal with a circular design and larger size option. It's stylish, fast, and deeply integrated with Android, especially Pixel phones. And the surprise star? OnePlus Watch 3, the battery champ with up to 120 hours of life. Chunky, bold, and running full Wear OS, it's cheaper than a Pixel and ready for LTE later this year. Smartwatches aren't just accessories anymore, they're a statement for your tech-savvy life. So, which one are you choosing? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.